Have you ever felt like your finances are a runaway train? You're not alone. Most people today don't know where their money goes on a weekly or even monthly basis. Imagine flipping the script from chaos to control, stress to serenity. That's the power of a simple yet life-changing budgeting method. In this video, we're sharing the most effective budget system in the world today. Ready to revolutionize your financial world? Imagine living your life buying what you need and sometimes what you want without the gnawing guilt that often comes with spending. The secret lies in a method so straightforward that you'll wonder why you hadn't tried it earlier. It's time to meet the budgeting superhero, the 70-20-10 method. This isn't just any budgeting method, it's the 70-20-10 rule, and it's about to become your new best financial friend. Picture this, you're using a budgeting plan that's so seamless that you barely notice it's there. Yet it's working wonders behind the scenes. The 70-20-10 method is not just a way to manage your money, it's a lifestyle choice that guarantees peace of mind and financial growth. So what's the deal with the 70-20-10? It's all in the breakdown. Imagine allocating 70% of your income to your living expenses, all the essentials, including that Netflix subscription. Then stashing away 20% for savings, hello future financial freedom, and finally dedicating 10% to debt repayment or other financial goals. Goodbye financial stress. It's a balanced method that feels like your financial diet is finally getting the nutrients it needs. The 70% portion is your guilt-free zone. This is where you live your life. Rent, groceries, utilities, and even that occasional night out are covered here. The beauty of this is in its simplicity. There is no need to track every penny. Ensure that your total expenses don't exceed 70% of your income. It's like having a financial safety net that allows you to enjoy the present while taking care of the essentials. Now let's talk about the 20% for savings. This isn't just saving, it's empowering. It's about building a cushion that can turn dreams into reality. Whether it's an emergency fund, a down payment for a house, or a well-deserved vacation, this 20% is your building block toward a future you've always dreamed of. And the best part? You're saving without even feeling the pinch. You can set these savings to automatically deposit each paycheck so you don't even have to think about it. Finally, the 10% slice. This is your secret weapon against debt or for achieving other financial milestones. It's not just about making minimum payments, it's about going the extra mile. Think of this 10% as your financial accelerator, speeding up your journey to debt-free or reaching that goal you've set your eyes on. It's small but mighty. Ready to put the 70-20-10 method into action? Here's how you can make it work for you, regardless of your financial situation. Start by figuring out your take-home pay. If your income varies, take an average of the last few months. This will be your baseline. Calculate 70% of your income. This is your new spending limit for all your living expenses. If you find extra cash in this category, you can always funnel it into savings or debt repayment. Identify where you want to put this 20%. You can divide it into different savings goals, but remember, consistency is key. Use the remaining 10% to aggressively pay down debts or funnel it towards a particular goal. This is your chance to make significant strides in your financial journey. If 70% of your income is not enough to live your life, no problem. How about an 80-10-10 split? Or your financial ninja who can live on less, say a 60-30-10 or a 60-20-20 plan. The beauty of this method lies in its adaptability. Tailor it to your lifestyle and watch as it transforms your financial landscape. If this video was helpful, subscribe to our channel and let us know your thoughts in a comment below.